Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to change the language preference of your TikTok account. To change the language preference, open the TikTok app.
Sorry, your shoe is untied.
Oh, true it is.
Tap the profile from the bottom right corner and then tap the three-line icon in the top right to go to your settings. Tap on settings and privacy. Here you will find language. Tap on language. Select your preferred language from the list. Here I have select English and Bengali. If you want to add more language, then search from here and tap the checkbox beside the language name and then tap done from the top right corner. By this way you can change your language preference in TikTok. That was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.